National President ke National People's Party Conrad K Sangma ubaderu Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya ulapun pau ke jing pyrshah ya ke jitmu pentrai kam ya ke Uniform Civil Code namar ba kalong pyrshah ya kalong kaman ke bajudan hari India. Habakran sikilat patai kubor ke lai pau tere ujeliu arja apulai Menteri Rangba ulaong bakari India ke dai kari ke bayat teli hapadeng ki jat benriu ki babun hakiriti dustur baper ulaong bo tip ke bakumno bat hakanu ke rukam ke jing penkre ya ketika bil bat kan lam sanu henry kum ke pasok jongkahi kalong pyrshah ya rukam ai jat nakak me haka jella.
The Uniform Civil Code, according to the National People's Party, I'm talking from a party point of view as of now, it goes against the actual idea of India itself. India is a diverse nation, and the diversity is what is our strength. Of course, we don't know what will happen in the sense that what kind of bill will come out if it does come out. So without seeing the actual content of a draft, if it comes out, it will be difficult to go into details. But as I said, from a basic concept point of view, as I said, we are a matrilineal society, for example, and that is what our strength has been, and that is what our culture has been. Now, that cannot be changed for us, and definitely that's something that, as a political party, we realize that the entire Northeast, for the matter of fact, has got a unique culture and unique ways of our society, and hence we would want that to remain, and we would not want that to be touched. So therefore, we'll have to see how the bill, if it comes out, it will be, and the actual language in the bill. But as a concept in its own, as I said, it's something that does not go with the entire idea of India being as I said, a diverse nation, and diversity being our strength and our identity, and hence a uniform civil code will go against that idea, is what the National People's Party feels.